Hey guys, it's Mr. Secret Monkey here. He has his own channel.
It's Mysterious Monkey.
He's doing like a secret content creator thing, and he wanted to cover me, so I'm now going to run. Oh, thank you.
I need to get my hint. I need to get my hint. You tagged me. Okay. Go to Treehouse for my first hint. Come on. I'm gonna only say one. My hat cosmetic is the Russian hat.
Number 3. I wear.
Oh, no.
That doesn't mean this all is a part of the fit.
Once you get tagged, gotta end the recording.
If I get tagged, the recording ends. This is.
Come on.